A construction worker. He works alone, with no one to call his own. He measures with a tape measure in the air because it's there. Where? We don't know.
On this rocking chair.
He found a helper at last.
Helper! Wait, come back! I'll never find a helper. Wait, another helper! And
Are you the new helper?
oh man, I need you! Helper, wait, come back! Oh, you're gonna help me in the construction site. Would you like that? No! What? You're my favorite helper, though. You were making this rocking chair. Will you be my helper? Oh man. Do you want to be my helper still? Do you? Aw, man. Do you want to be my helper? Yes or no? Okay.
The helper thinks about it and then runs off again. Lonely construction worker.
I don't know what to say. He's my only helper. I'll be a helper! Yay!
So the lonely construction worker finally found a helper.
It's fun having a helper. Won't you discover? 11 1/2. Good job, helper. High five, helper. Let's see.
So this part of the walking chair is 11 1/2.
And they live happily